कोई पॉलिटिकल डिबेट कर रहा है, कोई कह रहा है कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी जंतर मंतर, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान रिज़ाइन कर दो, नीट के पेपर लीक क्यों हो रहे हैं, कोई कह रहा है हम बीजेपी सपोर्टर हैं, कोई कह रहा है हम सीजेपी को सपोर्ट करते हैं, कोई कह रहा है कि इस जेंजी, इस यूथ को अपने राइट्स मिलने चाहिए। इस पॉलिटिकल डिबेट के बीच अगर आप भी थक चुके हैं और ये सोच रहे हैं कि हम इस टॉपिक के बारे में अपने आप को और ज़्यादा कैसे एजुकेट करें, बिकॉज आजकल सबका एजुकेशन का मीडियम हो गया है सोशल मीडिया, बट आई थिंक सम ग्रेट राइटर्स हैव रिटन सम ग्रेट बुक्स दैट वी ऑल नीड टू रीड। एंड टुडे इन दिस वीडियो मैं आपको ऐसी 9 से 10 किताबें बताना चाहूँगी जो आप सब पढ़ सकते हैं, जो कि आपको पॉलिटिकली वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाएगा और आपके बिलीव्स सोशल मीडिया से नहीं, अपनी पर्सनल रीडिंग से भी बनेंगे। सो द फर्स्ट बुक दैट आई वुड लाइक टू रिकमेंड इज़ वाई आई एम एन अथीस्ट बाय भगत सिंह। सो दिस इज़ एन अमेजिंग बुक। भगत सिंह एक हमारे रिवोल्यूशनरी थे जो बहुत कम उम्र यानी 23 की एज में ही वॉज हैंग्ड टू डेथ, एंड वाइल ही वॉज बींग टेकन फॉर हिज death, he had this one book in his hand, and that was of Lenin. He was such a great scholar, and he wrote this book, an essay, when he was in jail, and it's a great book to read of our revolutionary. Then comes the next book, The India Way by S. Jaishankar. So S. Jaishankar, as he is the India's Ministry of External Affairs, and this is a great book because he's such a diplomat and he knows how to handle difficult conversations. And during the COVID and all these major difficulties our country has faced, he has given a great perspective. So yeah, second book is this. Then comes the next book by B.R. Ambedkar, our father of Indian Constitution. This book is Annihilation of Caste. So as we all know, the problem of caste system in our country. So this book is very important for someone who wants to know more about B.R. Ambedkar and how he changed the whole scenario of India in the great way. So yeah, Annihilation of Caste, amazing book for a lot of people. Yeah. Then comes Waiting for a Visa. Waiting for a Visa is an autobiography of B.R. Ambedkar, or it consists of reminiscences drawn by Ambedkar related to his experiences with untouchability. So yeah. Then comes the next book, The Communist Manifesto by Karl Marx. So as we all know, Karl Marx has been a great revolutionary, and before the Russian Revolution, he had played a major role, in shaping communism and explaining what communism to people is, and explaining the difference between, caste system and the lower caste, upper caste, how they are differentiated. So yeah, this book, Communist Manifesto. Then comes the book Train to Pakistan by Khushwant Singh, and this book is on partition. This book is on partition, how so many people were affected by partition in India, and this is just such an emotional book. When you will read this, you will realize that, oh my god, like if we were there at the time of partition, बहुत बहुत बुरा सिनेरियो था. इसमें कुछ पिक्चर्स भी हैं जो इन्होंने दी हैं, आप देख सकते हो. कुछ पिक्चर्स भी हैं जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बनाती है इस बुक को रीड करने में. सो या, इट्स अ ग्रेट बुक. Then comes another book, that is The Argumentative Indian by Amartya Sen, and he's a great writer in such depths that he writes. And at the back of the book it is written, India is a hugely diverse country with many widely divergent customs and a feast of viewpoints. In this celebrated book, he argues only by exploring long pioneering tradition of skeptical argument and cultural achievement can we understand contemporary India's place in the world. So yeah, good book. Then comes, oh my god, this is such a heavy read, and I know not everybody can dare to read this book because yeah, इस किताब के इतने सारे पेजेस देख के आधे लोग घायल हो जाएंगे, आई एम श्योर. बट दिस बुक, इंडिया आफ्टर गांधी बाय रामचंद्र गुहा, it is a magisterial account of the pains, struggles, humiliations, and glories of the world's largest and least likely democracy. And yeah, it says a lot. The fall of the Congress and the rise of Narendra Modi and India, 70 years, around 70 years after independence, how they have managed to, do its development and everything. It's a great book to know about India after independence. But uh, I would recommend that whenever you read these light reads, then only you pick this one, because yeah, I think first you need to develop the habit of reading to pick this one book, right? So now, this very light read by George Orwell, Animal Farm. Oh my god, this book was mind blowing, because it it tells about the Russian Revolution. It tells about the Russian Revolution and the some leaders that were very very cruel, and they really disturbed the whole scenario of that country. So yeah, it's a book in which the use of pigs and other animals, horses, goats, other animals, animals are being used to explain how some leaders have been very cruel for their people. So